Every successful business runs on a system. Today, we're developing real office skills needed in the modern workplace.
Today's business world, organization, digital literacy, and administrative skills matter. We're training our treasures to handle real office processes because business success starts with structure.
A business without proper record keeping will lose documents, customers, and opportunities. Filing systems help organizations stay compliant and efficient.
Digital skills are non-negotiable. From communication to bookkeeping, laptops and other digital devices are the backbone of modern business operations.
Businesses produce reports, receipts, invoices, and proposals daily. Competent use of office machines promotes productivity and professionalism.
Offices handle forms, contracts, internal memos, and client files. The ability to reproduce documents quickly keeps operations running smoothly.
Small tools matter. Document organizations reflect business credibility and build trust. I learned that a successful business is organized. Using office machines helps improve accuracy and speed.
These skills help us to start and manage the businesses.
Whether they become entrepreneurs or professionals, our treasures are learning the systems that drive successful organizations. At Top Rank Intellectual Academy, we build confident, capable future business leaders.
Business is not magic, it's system, skills, and discipline, and we are cultivating this one student at a time.